Good morning, everyone. Again, you are welcome here. And I was teaching you the chapter Bholi 10 CBSE. You know about that. Writer, I am repeating the same K. Abbas. It is written by K. Abbas. And what we have discussed, these are the new words. There are 9 new words. Understand? You can use them while you are making your study, the book. And what we have discussed is also important क्योंकि जो चैन से चैन जोड़ना जरूरी होता है ना. So now student, we have discussed about Bholi. 7 children were of Mr. Ramlal, and Bholi was youngest one, and 3 brothers were studying in we can say city, and almost 2 sisters got married and 2 were left, and one was we can say unmarried, Bholi, and once marriage was settled down. Okay. And what we were discussing, one day Tahsildar came in the school and he had given we can say responsibility to open the school in the village to her father, Mr. Ramlal. And the mother and father both were discussing what should we do. The father offered mother offered father that we should send Bholi because nobody will marry with her. Is that clear? Actually we have discussed about that now, that nobody will marry with her. So and that was the thinking of the lady. Understand? उसके पापा की थिंकिंग नहीं थी, उसकी वाइफ की थिंकिंग थी. And what happens next? The man had taken Bholi to the school. यहाँ तक हो गया था. And when Bholi reached in the school, she saw this. It is a very big building. That is a big building, and all the children were playing there. Mostly girls were there, ना. And one thing that made Bholi happy, that was the girls were playing there. Is that clear? No problem. And she was also happy there. But when she was sitting sitting in the corner, and the teacher came there, and the teacher asked her name, and the children were writing something on their slates. Okay, now teacher asked her name, and she got we can say nervous and was not giving answer properly, and she was stammering ना, हकलाकर बोल रही थी, and unable. Then the girls told her name. Other girls were laughing at her. And she was totally, we can say, in the tears. She was bitterly crying. Okay, but the teacher patted her, and teacher encouraged the girl to speak fluently, speak boldly, speak without any hesitation, and slowly and steadily the girl becomes able to speak the word. Now I am going to start. Yes, and Bholi herself was astonished that she had been able to say it. Actually, when teacher asked her name, then at last Bholi said the complete name. That is why she becomes astonished. She was surprised that I have told my name. Didn't I tell you? Now take the book. Then the teacher had given Bholi to a book. The book was full of nice pictures, and the pictures were in color. Lot of pictures were there. They were full of lot of pictures like dog, cat, horse, parrot, tiger, and cow, just like Lakshmi. And with every picture was a word in big black letters. And every picture was also having the word that was big. Okay, and color of the word was black. In 1 month you will be able to read this book. Who said this word? The teacher. What did the teacher say to Bholi? Within 1 month you can be able, got it, to read the book. Then I will give you a bigger book, and I will give you bigger than that. If you will be able to read the book, I will give you bigger than that. Okay. So then a still bigger one. In time you will be more learned than anyone else in the village, and one day you will be more learned than anyone from that village. Yani you will be the most educated girl in the village. Then no one will ever be able to laugh at you. And if you will be educated, if you get education, no one would laugh at you. कोई तुम पे क्या नहीं करेगा? They would not laugh at you. हंसेगा नहीं. Okay, people will listen to you with respect and you will be able to speak without the slightest stammer. And what the people will do, they will listen and they will also give you respect when you will speak without stammering, without having any type of stammer. Then what the people will give you, they will give you respect. Understand? The teacher said to Bholi. Then she was also asking, did you get it? Now go home and come back early tomorrow morning. Then the teacher ordered Bholi that you should go home and come back early tomorrow in the morning. Bholi felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing and the trees in front of the school house had blossomed. Yani, Bholi was very happy, or it was looking that the bells of the temples were ringing and the what were trees will grow, blossom, bloom, एकदम से खिलना. Got it? ऐसा फील हुआ उसको. Into a big red flowers, और वो किस में खिल गए? Big red flowers में. Understand? So her heart was throbbing with a new hope and a new life. What was the heart doing? Beating. Throbbing means beat. Got it? Throbbing. Her heart was throbbing with a new hope and new life. Why the word here new hope and new life? Actually, she was going to we can say live a new life. When she had entered in the school, when the teacher made her confident, then she was thinking that I am going to start my new life and new hope. Actually, जो previous life थी उसकी उसमें everybody was insulting her. Now everybody was ignoring her. That is why she was thinking that I will live a new life. So now two more questions are there. Why do Bholi's parents accept Bishambar's marriage proposal? One. Second, why does the marriage not take place? Got it? Thus, the years passed. Lot of years passed. The village became a small town. Now the village was not village; it became small town. The little primary school became a high school. The primary school also became a high school. There were now a cinema under a tin shed and cotton grinding mill. जो grinding mill होती है वो भी खुल गई. The mail train began to stop at the railway station, and they also had a railway station in the village, and that becomes town right now. One night after dinner, Ramlal said to his wife, "Then shall I accept Bishambar's proposal?" When Bholi was sleeping in the courtyard, she listened. The murmur, we can say, okay now, murmur of her parents, and Ramlal was saying to his wife that should we accept Bishambar's proposal? What was the proposal? She was going to get married with Bholi. It was the proposal. So, yes, certainly, his wife said, Bholi will be lucky to get such a well-do bridegroom. What did the lady say? She said that Bholi will be very lucky. This type of bridegroom we are having for her. A big shop, ये सब उसका, that was the wealth, okay, of Vishwambarnath. A big shop, a house of his own house, and I hear several thousand in the bank also. बैंक में भी काफी पैसे जमा है, thousands की संख्या में. Moreover, he is not asking for any dowry, and Vishwambarnath is also not demanding any type of dowry. दहेज भी नहीं डिमांड कर रहा वो, है ना? That was they were thinking it is a best proposal for Bholi. Okay ना? They was not demanding any type of dowry, and you also have your own house. And you also have a lot of money in the bank. That is why the lady was very happy. But stupid also. A 45-year-old man was going to get married with their daughter. Okay? Is it okay? I think it's not okay. That's right. But he is not so young, Ramlal said to his wife that Vishwambarnath is not so young. Almost the same age as I am. यानी बच्चे के फादर की एज के बराबर हो. सेम ऑन दिस पीपल. एंड ही ऑल्सो लिम्स. मोरेवर जैन लंगड़ा. मोरेवर द चिल्ड्रेन फ्रॉम हिज फर्स्ट वाइफ आर क्वाइट ग्रोन अप. एंड द चिल्ड्रेन आर ऑल्सो ग्रोन अप. उस फर्स्ट वाइफ, पहली पत्नी के बच्चे भी बड़े हो गए. यानी ही वॉज मैरिड Okay, maybe his wife was dead, we don't know, but he was married. So what does it matter? His wife replied. उसकी wife ने बोला क्या हुआ फिर? What does it matter? 45 or 50? It is not a great age for a man. What a foolish lady she was. 45 or 50 is not a great age for a man. Okay. We are lucky that he is from another village and does not know about her poke marks and her lack of sense. And what the lady was saying, that we are lucky that he belongs to other village and he also not aware about the poke marks of Bholi जो चेहरे पे दाग थे and lack of sense. She was saying to her husband, she was also hiding this from that man. If we don't accept this proposal, she may remain unmarried all her life. Then the lady said to her husband, that is a great chance, we should accept this. Otherwise, the girl would not get married in her life. Are you getting that? Yes. But I wonder, what Bholi will say? Then Ramlal said to his wife, I'm thinking what Bholi would say to us. What will the witless one say? Witless. What will the witless? Fool. Here the word witless means fool. Got it? What will the witless? To whom she was calling witless? Bholi. Witless, fool. Got it? She is like a dumb cow. She was comparing her girl with a dumb cow. Maybe you are right. Muttered Ramlal. He also muttered, murmur, bola, thoda sa, fuspusana. He was saying that his wife that maybe you are right. Muttered Ramlal. In the other corner of the courtyard, Bholi lay awake on her cot. अपनी खाट जो बेड था उस पे जाग रही थी Bholi. Listening to her parents' whispered conversation. And the whisper means fuspusana. She was listening all the matter, what her parents were talking to each other. Who was listening? Bholi. Bishambar Nath was a well-to-do grocer. He came with a big party, a popular tune of friends, relations with him for a wedding. Yani, the day of wedding approached. He was having a big party of friends, relatives were also there. A brass band playing a popular tune from a Indian film headed off the procession. यानी इंडियन फिल्म हिंदी मूवीज के सॉन्ग्स वगैरह बैंड पे हो रहे थे, आप तो सब जानते ही हो, है ना. A brass band with the bridegroom riding a decorated house, and you know bridegroom was riding on the decorated house horse. That he was riding on the decorated horse. Ramlal was overjoyed to see such a pomp and splendor. He was very happy. Father of Bholi was very happy कि आज देखो मैं कितनी इज्जत हो गई मेरी कि ब्राइडग्रूम ऐसे सज धज के आया है घोड़ी पे बैठ के. He was very happy. He had never dreamed that his fourth daughter would have such a grand wedding. He never thought that his fourth daughter is going to get a grand wedding. And Bholi's elder sister, who had come for the occasion, were envious of her luck. You know, Bholi's elder sister also joined the marriage, and they were envious. जल रही थी वो. There was jealousy on her luck. Whose luck? Bholi's luck. ये कोई luck था? I think it is not a luck. It was a bad luck for Bholi. When the auspicious moment, got it? Good, favorable. When the auspicious moment came, what happened? The priest said, bring the bride. Bholi clad in a red silken bridal dress. Bholi clad in a red silken bridal dress. She was clad. एकदम से. We was led to the bride's place near the sacred fire. पवित्र. She was, she came near the sacred fire. पवित्र जो आग थी उसके पास आई, वो जो फेरे लगाते हैं ना वहाँ पे. Garland the bride, one of his friends promoted Bishambar Nath. एक दोस्त ने बिशंबर नाथ को बोला कि माला पहनाओ. The bridegroom lifted the garland of yellow marigolds. That was yellow marigold garland. A woman slipped back the silken veil from the bride's face. एक लेडी ने वेल मतलब घूंघट, उसका घूंघट हटा दिया भोली का. बिशंबरनाथ took a quick glance. उसने देखा, दृष्टि डाली उस पे. The garland remained posed in her hand. The garland remained in his hand. He was not having dare to garland the girl. And the bride slowly pulled down the veil over her face. और दुल्हन जो थी, she slowly pulled down the veil over her face. Have you seen her? Said December to the friend next to him. She has poke marks on her face. December ने अपने दोस्त को बोला, have you seen her? She is having poke marks on her face. Have you seen her? So what? You are not young either. Then the friend also gave a good suggestion. So what? You are also not young. Okay? Why are you worried about the pox? Maybe, but I am to marry her. Her father must give me 5,000 rupees. ये देखो ट्रिक खेल गया ना वो. If the girl is going to get married with me, how many rupees is her father have to pay me? 5,000. Glory, दहेज मांग लिया उसने. Ramlal went and placed his turban. Ramlal went there and placed his turban. अपनी पगड़ी रख दी. His honor at उसका अपना सम्मान जो था, पगड़ी एक प्रकार से सम्मान होती है. At December's feet, do not humiliate me so. Take 2,000 rupees. शर्मिंदा मत करो, 2,000 रुपए ले लो. Who said these words? Ramlal. No, 5,000 or we go back. Keep your daughter. What did Decembernath said? What did Decembernath say? He demanded 5,000 and he said we will go. Otherwise we will go. Be little considerate. Please, if you go back, I cannot show face in my village. Yani I am not able to show my face in the village. Please don't go back. Then out with 5,000. Decembernath said, give me 5,000 rupees. Tears streaming down his face. रो रहा था वो. Who was weeping? Ramlal. Went in, opened the safe and counted out knots. पैसे गिनने लग गया. He counted out the knots. He placed the bundle at the bridegroom's feet. And what did he do? He placed the bundle at bridegroom's feet. What did he do? He placed the bundle. On December's greedy face appeared a triumphant smile. December का लालची चेहरा एक विजेता जैसी स्माइल में चेंज हो गया. He was very happy because he had won the, we can say, battle. ये बैटल था एक प्रकार से. He had gambled and won. उसने खेला और जीत गया जुआ. Give me the garland, he announced. And what did he say? Give me the garland. So my dear friends, Decembernath demanded 5,000 rupees from Bholi's father, and Bholi was not agree. I will tell you later on. But the man demanded 5,000 rupees, and Ramlal requested him he had made a lot of requests, but he was not ready. And at last the man had given him 5,000. So today what we have discussed? We have discussed that about the education of Bholi in school, and you know what more about come that these are the words: disgrace, dishonor, delusion, growth, gloom, fraud, beat. Got it? Pulse, proposal, offer, certainly, definitely, witless, fool, mutter, murmur. These are the word meanings, and I hope you have understood that. If you are unable to get this properly, I am here for you. Again, I am going to explain that it has started from school and it's going to get its end, but not its end. Tomorrow, I will also teach you the next. Okay, thank you very much.